Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 21, that is deserts and grasslands. So the objective of today's video is to know about three main deserts of Africa continent. Students, this is the page of your book. First of all, concentrate on the heading Deserts and Grasslands. Deserts means dry and sandy areas. Grasslands means large open areas covered with grass. Now let's start reading. Have you ever visited a desert? I hope your answer is yes. India's desert is called the Thar Desert. The three deserts of the African continent are Sahara, Namib and Kalahari Deserts. Students, continent means the large landmass on earth. Students, this is Thar Desert. Deserts are very hot and dry. Some portions of deserts are sandy while some others are stony or rocky. They receive less rainfall. The days are very hot and nights are very cold in deserts. The camel is the most important means of transport. Let us read about the three African deserts. So the first is the Sahara Desert. The Sahara gets its name from the Arabic word Sahara, which means desert. The Sahara Desert is the longest hot desert in the world. It spans some 8,600,000 square kilometers. It covers about one-third of the African continent. Sahara Desert's highest point is an extinct volcano called Mount Kusi in Chad. Students, continent means huge landmass and extinct means vanished. The Sahara is a desert located in Africa continent. It is the largest hot desert in the world. Despite its large size, only around 2.5 million people live in the Sahara Desert. Students, do you know this desert is still growing? If the Sahara were a country, it would be the largest country in the world, larger than Brazil and slightly smaller than United States of America. The overall climate of Sahara makes it difficult for any life to exist. It is hot, dry and windy. It rarely rains in the Sahara. Some regions can go years without even seeing a single drop of rain. That's why it's difficult to survive in the Sahara Desert. Now the next is the Namib Desert. Sossusvlei in the southern Namib Desert is a salt and clay pan surrounded by sand dunes. The sand dunes in the Sossusvlei area are known as star dunes due to their shape. The Namib Desert is the natural habitat of the Welwitschia mirabilis, a plant that gets just 2 long leaves during its entire lifespan. The largest wildlife park in the world, called the Namib Naukluft Park, is here. Big Daddy is 383-meter tall sand dune in the Namib Desert. Students, Sossusvlei is a salt and clay pan surrounded by sand dunes. Sand dunes means hills of sand. Natural habitat means natural environment. Entire means complete. Lifespan means length of life. Students, you can see the picture of Sossusway, which means salt and clay pan surrounded by sand dunes. You can see it looks like a pan. These are star dunes which look like stars. This is a plant called Welwitschia mirabilis. Now students, see the picture of Namib Park, which is the largest wildlife park in the world. This is 383 meter tall sand dune in the Namib Desert, which is called Big Daddy. Students, you can see that the Namib is the coastal desert in southern Africa. It is the world's most ancient desert. It is near about 55 million years old. Now let's learn about the next desert, which is the Kalahari Desert. The Kalahari Desert is a semi-desert in southern Africa. The Kalahari Desert covers Botswana and parts of Namibia and Northern Cape Province in South Africa. All three African big cats can be found here: cheetah, leopard, and the famous black-maned Kalahari lions. The Kalahari Desert has a wild watermelon called Sama melon. The Central Kalahari Game Reserve and the Coords Game Reserve are the protected shelters here. Students, Southern Africa means south part of Africa. Province means region or state. Reserve means an area of land where the plants, animals, etc. are protected by law. Next is shelter, means protection from danger or bad weather. One of the most surprising facts about Kalahari Desert is that it is not a desert in the strictest sense of the word. It is a semi-desert. It receives more rain as compared to other deserts. The temperatures in the Kalahari deserts are extreme, with summer being very hot while winter temperatures can go below 0°C at night. The wetter north has richer and great variety of wildlife than the drier south. One of the more unexpected the Kalahari Desert facts is that all three big African cats can be found here: cheetah, leopard, and the famous black-maned Kalahari lions. The Kalahari is the southernmost desert in Africa. It is the sixth biggest desert by area on earth and the second biggest after the Sahara Desert. In the southwest, it merges with Namib Desert. Students, today we have discussed three important deserts of Africa continent. Now your homework is to solve this exercise with the help of this video. Thanks for watching.